Hey guys, it's Stasia Talks TV and I am back with another video. So it's Christmas time and everybody got their gifts. And one gift I got in particular is the electric portable blender. Now as you can see, I'm going to also do a unboxing of it. I have my strawberries, I have my bananas, my strawberries, and my soy milk because I don't drink milk. So let's get into this unboxing. If you hear anything, that's my dog, so just, be aware of that. Okay. So this was actually a gift from my sister. Each year, we ask each other what we want. So this is a bottle cleaner, and this is 2 rubber straws, so it's reusable, which is good for the environment. And I'm not sure what this is, but yeah. And this is the blender, as you can see. And the charger as well. Alright, so it comes with the USB port. And these are the directions. So this says, surprise. As a thank you for buying our product, we have a free gift for you. We thank you for purchasing and using our product. Go and see the present we have prepared for you. Each person is limited to choose one gift. To get a free gift, please visit ordergift.net. And I basically visit this and I guess I can redeem my free gift. Then you have the instructions here. So you know your usual manuals that you get in all your stuff. And this is, so it's telling you to cut the fruit into the size. Then it says put the cup in the fruit. So there's a limit that it can't go over. It says when blending is finished, turn off the power, then you can charge it, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. So I have my bananas. Yeah, I'm gonna just open it. So I'm gonna use 1 banana. I'm gonna use this to put my scraps in. And I'm gonna just cut off the ends. And then I'm gonna just cut my bananas into little pieces. So that was 1 banana. I'm gonna use about 6 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take these off. After I take these off, I'm gonna go wash them. So now I'm gonna wash these off. And I'm gonna just cut these in half. So I cut it in half, then I cut it into 4. So I'm using soy milk instead of whole. Okay. So now that that's done, I'm going to open my blender. So I have 1 cup. I'm gonna do 1 cup of milk. So as you can see, I didn't really fill up the 1 cup. That already looks like too much. So I'm gonna do some bananas. see. Get down. So it's not really loud, as you can see. And it does it very fast. And that's it. And this is from this company. Thanks for watching. Like, comment,